Welcome back to the Hayden Fox channel, where we help you be the best parents possible to maximize your kids' potential. Today's menu is packed with flavor as we delve into the world of nutrition and wellness. You see, teaching our kids about healthy living is more than just ensuring they eat their greens. It's about setting them up for a lifetime of vibrant health and vitality. But before we begin, remember to collect your free parenting gifts on our website, haydenfoxmedia.com. They are specially curated resources that are guaranteed to be super helpful on your parenting journey. So pull up a chair, grab a healthy snack, and let's get ready to dive into some delightful and nutritious strategies for your kiddos. Let's face it, grocery aisles are like jungles, filled with colorful packages competing for our kids' attention. But here's the thing, not all that glitters is gold, especially when it comes to food. That's why it's crucial to arm our little ones with the knowledge to make informed nutritional choices. In this fast food era, where convenience often topples nutrition on the priority list, it's never been more important to cultivate food literacy in our young ones. By doing so, we're equipping them with the ability to make choices that contribute to their well-being, setting the stage for a healthy relationship with food that can last a lifetime. To help solidify these ideas, try the Supermarket Scavenger Hunt activity, where you will transform your next grocery trip into an educational expedition. Prepare a list of nutrient-packed foods and create a Find the Healthy Item list. As they scout for whole grains, fresh produce, and lean proteins, your kids will not only learn about healthy options, but also how to spot marketing tricks and understand nutrition labels. To cap it off, discuss the benefits of each item they find, turning grocery shopping into a fun-filled learning experience that sticks. Through these interactive and engaging experiences, we're not just filling our carts with groceries, we're filling our children's minds with invaluable knowledge. They'll learn to look beyond the flashy fronts of packaging and peel back the layers to find true nutritional value. This is how we raise a generation that values health over hype and substance over surface. Next, we are going to talk about establishing a balanced diet. If nutrition is the canvas, then a balanced diet is the art. It's all about the right mix of proteins, carbs, fats, and all the micro goodies that keep us ticking. Kids who learn about balance in their meals can better understand how to fuel their bodies and minds effectively. By involving our kids in the meal planning and cooking process, we're handing them the culinary tools to build their own healthy future. They learn that a well-prepared meal is an act of self-care, a way to take charge of their health and show love to their bodies. It's not just sustenance, it's an expression of creativity and self-respect. Here's where the family feast planning party comes into play. Together with your kids, plan out a week's worth of meals that are as colorfully balanced as they are delicious. Get creative in the kitchen by cooking meals as a team, and let your kids take the chef's hat to assemble their plates with all components of a balanced diet. Documenting these meals with photos can be fun by creating a family food album that showcases your collective creation of nutritional masterpieces. This mealtime tradition does more than just fill bellies. It fosters teamwork, teaches planning skills, and cultivates an appreciation for the diversity of food available to us. As each child contributes to the menu, they learn the importance of dietary diversity, how each food group plays its own unique role in keeping us fit and fabulous. You can even explore international cuisines, turning dinner time into a cultural exploration that broadens their horizons and deepens their understanding of the world. And let's not forget the leftovers. They present an opportunity to discuss food waste and sustainability. Show your kids how to store and repurpose surplus food, instilling in them the values of resourcefulness and environmental consciousness. In these shared moments around the stove and the table, we're not just nourishing our families, we're simmering a stew of lifelong skills and values. All right, now it's time to talk about the other portion of the wellness equation, movement. Our bodies are naturally designed to move and be active, which is why pairing regular physical activity with good nutrition is a game changer for kids' health. In a world where screens often anchor us in place, we must inspire our kids to leap up and embrace the physical joys of life. It's about integrating movement into the daily routine in ways that feel natural and enjoyable. From a morning stretch to a post-dinner walk, these habits can ignite a lifelong spark for staying active. Why not launch the Family Fun Olympics? Pick a day of the week where everyone gets to choose a fun physical activity. It can be a dance-off, a backyard obstacle course, or a family yoga session. The goal is to get hearts pumping and to show that exercise is just as fun as it is healthy. Keep track of these activities and celebrate your family's victories, big or small, with a ceremonious victory lap or awards ceremony. To add a splash more fun, how about a themed sports day? Sports from around the globe can open the door to learning about different cultures while getting a great workout. Try capoeira, a Brazilian martial art, or have a go at cricket, a favorite pastime in several countries. It's about celebrating movement in all its diverse forms and finding joy in the richness it brings to our lives. As we craft these shared moments of movement, we're doing more than just staying fit. We're teaching our children that their health is a treasure, that their bodies are capable of amazing feats, and that every step, leap, or dance move is a celebration of life's vibrant rhythm. And there you have it. These 3 hearty strategies are your recipe for cultivating robust health and keen food wisdom in your children. And remember, just like creating a gourmet dish, patience, practice, and persistence are the secret ingredients. As we draw this video to a close, don't forget to check out our best-selling book series, Life Skills for Kids, available on Amazon. It's a must-have for any parent looking to empower their child with essential life skills, like the ones we talked about in this video. To get your hands on a copy, just click the link in the description below. Lastly, remember to claim your exclusive free gifts on our website, haydenfoxmedia.com. These resources are specially curated to support you on your parenting journey. You'll also receive priceless parenting tips, tricks, and strategies delivered straight to your inbox once a week, completely free. And if today's content was to your taste, please sprinkle some love on that like button, hit subscribe for a steady diet of nurturing knowledge, and share your own family's recipes for health and wellness in the comments below. Thank you for joining us today. Keep blending love, health, and wisdom in the kitchen of life, and we'll see you in the next video.